How to add header and footer in Excel worksheet. To add header and footer in Excel worksheet, follow the steps below. Open your Excel worksheet. Go to the View tab on the ribbon. In the Workbook view, click on Page Layout. This will display the header area at the top of the worksheet. Click on the header section where you want to add the text. For instance, add TechTricksGh sales reports in the center and change the font size to 14. On the left side, enter second quarter, and on the right side, enter the name of the person who prepared the document, such as prepared by Richard Watson. Reduce the font size to 10 for both the right and the left sections respectively. Click on the footer section to insert a page number, and you are all set. That's it, TechTricksGh. Follow for more. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more tutorials.